to log in into Rotherham Council tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Rotherham Council tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the Rotherham Council tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen, from which click on the first one that says your account Rotherham Metropolitan Boroughs Council. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Here on this page you can find some information that can be useful for you. Now in order to log in, scroll all the way to the down and here you will see this option of sign in to your account. Under that, here are two options, register and sign in. Assuming you have already created an account, tap on sign in option. After that, you will be brought to this page where you need to enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password or having problems signing in, click on problems signing in option below the password. So simply enter all of the details and click on sign in and you are good to go. In this very easy and simple way, you can log in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.